Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing my workout routines. For my previous video I shared my weight loss story, how I was able to lose 24 kilos in a year, and most of you were really asking me what exactly do I do during my training and what does HIIT training really involve. And because like the previous video I didn't actually explain what HIIT training and what I actually do, so this is a video to just address that and like explain in details with showing you the movement, what I actually do. So HIIT training is high intensity interval training, and in HIIT training you get to exercise for like 30 seconds or 45 seconds or a minute, and you rest for a shorter period of time. In HIIT training, the key is to keep your heart rate up, and while you're at rest, you don't rest for too long and you spike it back up again. I love doing jump exercises where I get to jump, exercises where I get to like box, exercises where I get to move more movement, and I enjoy doing compound movements like squat jumps, lunges, where I get to not just work on specific muscle groups but many muscle groups at the same time, because I'm not a big fan of ab exercises or isolation moves. So HIIT training just helps me work so many muscle groups without working my abs. So I also, in the previous video, I'll link that previous video down below. In my previous video I also explained that I do strength training. So strength training is using resistance. So anything that gives you resistance while exercising. It could be dumbbells, it could be resistance bands, it could be sandbags, it could be ankle weights. As long as it's giving you resistance than your body weight is, that is resistance strength training. So I use dumbbells now, but previously I was using like water bottles. I was using what I had, but now I use dumbbells. And why I strength train is because I want to sculpt certain parts of my body, like my arms. If you watch the previous video, you will see that my arms, I had like grandma arms, like I had like the bat wings, but like with strength training I was able to like get them to like where they are now. They are not like really how I want them to be. So that's why I'm still doing strength training. I work out 5 times in a week, so I split the workout. I could do 3 days of strength training and 2 days of HIIT, and the other week I could do 3 days of HIIT and 2 days of HIIT. So I like to switch it up in order to like keep my body surprised, keep me also interested and motivated to keep doing the workouts I do. So I'll be showing you like my staple workout routines, my staple HIIT exercises that I enjoy doing. So as I said previously, I work out at home. I don't use the gym, so I work out always at this space. So I'll be sharing all the workouts I do. So the first movement I'll be showing you is tuck jumps. So most of the exercises I'll be showing you today are jump exercises, but it doesn't necessarily mean that most HIIT exercises require you to jump. This second movement here is called skater hops. So this exercise works your arms, your legs, and also to your obliques. So the third exercise here is called burpees. So I would always ask that whenever you're doing HIIT training, you have to listen to your body. Even if you're doing any kind of training, listen to your body. If you're not up for jumping, don't do it. So always keep your back straight when you're performing this movement and jump as high as you can to make it more intense. The next movement here is lunges, but with jumps. So unlike the regular lunges, this includes jumping. So if you have like problem to your knee, don't perform this workout because they'll wear out your knees. So we're moving now to the ground and we're performing mountain climbers. So here you just move your legs towards your chest and always try to keep your back straight and tighten your core while doing it. It becomes more effective. So this next exercise is crisscross mountain climbers. It's like the regular mountain climbers, but you're moving crisscross side. So this next exercise, I don't know the name of this exercise, but I saw it in Sydney Cummins' workout and I've been doing it ever since I saw them, and they're really effective. but I'll leave her link down below so that you could check out her workouts. She does a lot of HIIT workouts. Next exercise is squats in and out with pulses. So here you pulse a couple of times in and out. This exercise works your inner and outer thighs, and for you girls that want to grow your bum, is a good exercise. So now we're moving to the strength portion of the workout. I'll be showing you the movements I do while strength training. So I'm using 2 kg dumbbells. You could use lower than that or higher dumbbells than that. So the first movement here are squats with punches. So this works my arms and also to my legs. So this is the movement from the side. So the next movement here are squats and press. So you squat low and you press. So while squatting, ensure your back straight and that you're pressing. So the next movement here, there are lateral raises but with one leg. So this is very effective because it works my legs and also to my arms. So I'm working on the other side. The next movement here are bicep curls. Make sure you're doing it slow and controlled. So the next movement here is deadlifts. So make sure your back is straight up and your chest are up. And then you slowly move down. Then when you get back up, you squeeze your bum. This exercise looks easy, but then it's working so many muscle groups. You're working your arms, you're working your legs, and you're also working your bum too. So squeeze when you get up and drive your bum forward. So guys, those are the workouts I do. Those are the staples. They're always in my workout. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more workout videos, more exercise videos, let me know down at the comment section, and I hope to see you next week. Bye. Oh mama, ooh la, ooh la, ooh la. Don't know what this is. Oh mama, ooh la, ooh la.